In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to use the district properties. Now, to get to the district properties, we first need to open up a district map view. To do that, we can either click here to open up a new tab, select districts, or we can click on the Add View button on the home menu, select Maps, and then District Map. Both of those ways get you to the exact same map. To access the district properties, you simply right-click on the district to pull up the radial tool, and then you simply click on Properties. You can bypass the radial tool by holding Control on your keyboard and then you right-click on that district. Here in District Properties, you can change the ID and the name of that selected district. You can also assign district managers from this view, and you would do that by clicking on the drop-down menu if you've already imported or created manually district managers, or you can click this green plus button to write in the name, the home zip code, and make that role of district manager, and then you'd be able to assign a district manager. You can also assign your districts to regions from this view. By clicking on this drop-down menu, you will see all the regions that have been currently created in this file. If you'd like to create a new region, you simply click on the green plus button, and you can name that new region to assign this district to. You can also change the color of the district we've right-clicked on by simply clicking on a different color, and it will change right away. You can shift the label to a non-contiguous part of that district by using the up and down arrows to pick the second largest or third largest area, or you can click Set Clicked. But this will only work if you have non-contiguous parts of a district. And here in the lower part, under the Accounts and Data section, is where you will typically see a count of all the accounts that are assigned to this district and a total sum of all the data sets that are assigned to this district as well. And there you go. You've just learned how to use the district properties in AlignMix.